animals. First up, the cute and furry cat, who always runs all around the house. Look at this honest and loyal dog. They protect our house from thieves. Next one is Big and Innocent Cow. It gives me a fresh milk. I love milk. Now the donkey, who helps people to carry luggage. Hey, look at this royal and majestic horse. Do you like horse riding? I enjoy the horse riding. Look at this tall and royal camel. Now, the animal which gives us fur. Yes, it is a sheep. Now the pig, who loves to eat almost everything. Next one is the goat. They live in tries. Now let's meet the cock, who crowing at dawn. Look at this pleasant duck, who swims in water. Next one is hen. It gives us eggs. Now the little one mouse. It is quite fast and intelligent. And last one is parrot, beautiful and talkative. Please like, share and subscribe.